In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Number of mangoes 50 to 52 mangoes in 15 boxes. 53 to 55 mangoes in 110 boxes. In that way, the mangoes are kept in boxes. The mangoes may be packed according to the size and variety. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? First we have to see the number of mangoes. It is given in intervals, that is 50 to 52 mangoes, 53 to 55 mangoes, in that way. Look at this intervals. Here in second interval, the lower limit is 53. In the first interval, upper limit is 52. The upper limit of the first one is same as the lower limit of the second one. If it is like that, the given intervals are continuous. Now these two are different numbers, 52 and 53. See here 55 and here 56. So these two are different. These two are different in each intervals. So the intervals are not continuous. We should make it as continuous. How to do that? We should subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. So the lower limit 50 becomes 49.5 and upper limit 52 becomes 52.5. See here. So the limit 50 to 52 becomes 49.5 to 52.5. In that way, I have subtracted 0.5 with the lower limit and added 0.5 with the upper limit and written here. And the number of boxes, it is same as in the question. We need sigma Fi. So I added and wrote. Here the intervals are given. So we have to find class mark from this interval. Class mark equal to upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So 52.5 plus 49.5 by 2 will become 51. In that way, the next intervals also. Now we come to know how to calculate xi. See xi now. These numbers are very large. If we multiply fi and xi, it will be harder. See those numbers. So we have to reduce this xi. That is di. Di equal to xi minus a. What is a? The middlemost xi is a. Here we have 5 rows. So in that we have to choose the middlemost xi. So 57. That is assumed mean. That is a. Di equal to xi minus a. Di equal to xi is 51 minus a is 57. So 51 minus 57 is minus 6. 54 minus 57 is minus 3. 57 minus 57 0. 60 minus 57 3. 63 minus 57 6. So now we have di. See di, fi is very large and di have a common divisor. What is the divisor? Minus 6, minus 3, 3 and 6. These numbers are divisible by 3. So we are going to divide di with the common divisor 3. Before dividing it, let us confirm ui equal to xi minus a by h. H is the class size. How to calculate class size? Upper limit minus lower limit is the class size. So here 52.5 minus 49.5 is 3 and common divisor of di also 3. So we chose h equal to 3. So okay, now let us find ui. Ui equal to xi minus a by h. Xi minus a is here. So we are going to divide this number by h, that is 3. So minus 6 by 3 equal to minus 2. Minus 3 by 3 minus 1. 0 by 3 0. 3 by 3 1. 6 by 3 2. Okay. Now we have to multiply fi and ui. 15 minus 2 is minus 30. 110 into minus 1 minus 110. 135 into 0 0. In the same way we have to multiply fi ui. According to step deviation, the formula for finding mean is a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So we need sigma fi ui. So we have added fi ui, that is 25. Already we have found sigma fi is 400 and we have to substitute everything. A is 57, h is 3, Fi sigma Fi ui is 25, sigma Fi is 400. Mean x bar equal to, we have substituted everything and we found mean equal to 57.19. The mean number of boxes is 59.19. I chose step deviation method for easy calculation. Our question is, which method of finding the mean did you choose? So we chose step deviation method. That one I have written at the end. Hope you understand. Thank you.